Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is the perimeter of the rectangular board is 70 centimeter. Taking the length as x centimeter, find the width in term of x. And then if the area is 300 centimeters square, find its dimensions. So what is given? The perimeter of the rectangle board is given, which is 70 centimeter. Taking the length as x. So length is x. Find its width. तो width को w ही रहने देते हैं. Okay. Fine. We have to find width in terms of x. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is 2l plus b of the rectangle. So instead of perimeter we will write 70. 2 length की जगह we will write x, and b is the width also. Breadth is called the width also. So we can write w. So this is 70. 2 is being multiplied by this whole term. So 2 can come here and become divide. So is x plus w. This is 35. So w is 35 minus x. So we found the width in term of x. So this is width in term of x. Fine. Now if the area of this rectangle is 300 centimeters square, we have to find the dimension. So what is the area formula? Area is length into width or length into breadth. So length is x into width is how much? We have found 35 minus x. So what is the area? Area is 300. So instead of area we will write 300, length की जगह x and width की जगह 35 minus x. Now we will multiply 300. 300 will be 300 only. 35 into x minus x into x becomes x square. Again this is taking a form of a quadratic equation. So we'll get all the terms on one side of the equation. So this can be written as x square comes here become positive, plus 35 comes here become minus 35, and 300 तो plus ही रहेगा, is equal to 0. Now how to solve this quadratic equation? We have to split this middle term. Okay, what is the first term? It's the x square. The second is just the x one, and the last one is the constant one. Fine. So this is how we will arrange our quadratic equation. First x square, then the x term, and then the constant one. So that the middle term has to be written in such a way that when you multiply the middle term, you should get this last constant, because the coefficient of x is 1. So here we will concentrate only on the constant part. So the middle term, क्या होना चाहिए middle term? Middle term has to be split in two numbers such that when you multiply those two numbers, you should get plus 300. So 300 को हम 15 into 20 लिख सकते हैं, right? 15 into 20. Now when you multiply 15 into 20, you get 300, right? And when you do minus 15 and minus 20, what you get? Minus minus plus, that is 15 plus 20 is 35, and sign will be of minus because 20 is bigger number. This we know, we have learnt in integers. So that means minus 35 can be written as minus 15x and minus 20x, क्योंकि जब हम इसको multiply करेंगे I will get 300 and minus minus plus 300. Okay, 300 will be written as 300 and x square is written as x square, which is equal to 0. Now these two terms taken together and these two terms taken together. So what is common in these first two terms? X. What is left over here? X. एक x बाहर आ गया तो एक x अंदर. Minus 15 क्योंकि एक x बाहर है, so minus 15. Now what I will take here common? I can take minus 20 common. So what I am left with? X in the first term. Now 20 into 15 is 300. So 20 into 15 will become 300, and I need plus. So what I will put? A minus sign. So minus minus will become plus 300. So these sign ka you will have to take care. Now x minus 15 is common in both these two terms. So x minus 15, what is left here? X minus 20 is equal to 0. Now either this is 0 or this is 0 because the product is coming out as 0. If x minus 15 is 0, then x is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. And if x minus 20 is 0, then x is equal to 20 centimeter. What was x? X was the length. So if length is 15 centimeter, that is x, the width will be how much? The width will be, how much was the width? 35 minus 15, right? So that will come as 20 centimeter. Now generally what we see that the length is the longer side. So ये case हम नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि the width is coming as 20. So now if length is 20 centimeter, then width will be how much? 35 minus 20, that is 15 centimeter. So here the length is the bigger one and width is the smaller one, right? So this case we will take. Therefore length is 20 centimeter क्योंकि generally हम length को longer side लेते हैं. Fine. So you will write it like this. The width is 15 centimeter. Fine. So we will take this side, this condition.